All right, we're looking at a 1963 Ford Galaxie with the 427 cubic inch big block Ford. This was a monster back in the day and still is. It's an absolute beautiful automobile in mint condition. This is an R code. Let's go ahead and show you some of the details regarding the car. It's got a 411 positive traction rear end. This is absolutely beautiful to see this in person. So here's your side logo, Galaxie 500, with the famous 427 checkered stripe flags. Awesome. Here's a look at the interior in pristine condition. Talk about some trunk space. Can't imagine how much room you have underneath there. Real chrome bumpers. So cool to see. Awesome automobile. So this is a 63 Galaxie 500 and it's got a manual. Beautiful. So these cars are very famous in NHRA drag racing, broke a lot of records, and it's awesome to see this piece of history in front of us here at Barrett-Jackson Auction. So I hope you liked the video. Please comment below and please subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you guys later. Have a great day.